Sasa ngu-principal yasiva nalento ithathayo uthi there's an investigation funeka iyenzeke kodwa umntana uvinjwe ipayi. Angaphinde yasibisa esikolweni. Ahlale phansi. Ithathiwe sana they are protecting their own. They are protecting their own bandase. Effort yethu is going to waste. Zisela out. Ebethuna ndicela nitheke everyone thegani. Department of Education jongani thegani abantu. Abantu abasezikhundleni eziphezulu asimameleke apha. Please tag everyone. Nabo isela out. Nabo isela out.
Yo molweni namkelekile nonke kwezitshisa be-entertainment. Currently on the trends guys is Themba Lethu primary. Kukhona ke i-video esirculate especially on Facebook and TikTok guys. Utitshala wale class decided to take a video of abantwana besitya ipie. It was their pie day ne, and so probably quick group chat ya WhatsApp she had communicated into it's going to be pie day ngicela ninike abantwana benu i-40 rands so that umntana nomntana ezoba nepie nejuice yakhe. Unfortunately ke bekhona oyi-1 Bengaki did not have anything and ebezihida guys ubuso bakhe as utitshala engxolisa abantwana and taking le video mhlambi ebefuna ukubonisa iparents bajongani ke nina ke enizisileyo imali naba abantwana benu bayatya abangayizisanga imali lo oyi-1 ongayinikwanga imali akatyi next at all. So lo video lena it went viral on social media. As a result, abantu abaninzi started calling out on utitshala saying that akanalo ubizo for teaching because xa uyititshala uye uzifake in the shoes of a parent, uye ube ngumzali kubantwana bonke. So if uzoba comfortable in recording, not only do you record and then send for everyone to see kwigroup, hayi sana intoba makubonakale umntana womnye umzali intoba yena ebengenayo la 40 rand ye pie day. So anyways ke uye wathi come forward umzali guys womntwana, and this is what she said on social media. Uthi ndisa umntwana wami esikolweni ukuze afunde. I got retrenched 2 years ago, but as an unemployed mom, I always make sure that my child is well taken care of. I would rather go to bed hungry, but I always make sure that he is alright. But to make fun of my child just because we cannot afford the luxury at the moment, the broken bafazi. And this shows that it's been happening for a very long time. Upindeke wa post awati Bethuna, I had poverty with everything in me. I have been getting calls and messages about my child trending. I saw the video once and I just broke down. This has to be the hardest thing that I've ever went through. Umtanam being subjected to bullying because of ipai. There's a meeting today at school and I will update everyone soon. And I'm sure nibabonile ke abazali at the beginning of this video, and they went there for a peaceful march, and the update would be that utitshala wepai was temporarily suspended. And then abona ke into enhle enziwa ngumandisi on Facebook is currently opening donations for umama womntana. Currently ke they are sitting at 37,000 rands, and uye wachaza intoba i-goal yakhe afuna ukuyireach is at least 40,000 rands ozoya towards ke umama that is currently unemployed njengangoku. So yeah guys, nazo ke indaba ze horror. Your thoughts must engage, and I will see you shortly. Bye guys.